So welcome back to a small snippet of a vlog. I'm not going to be doing a full vlog today, it's just a tiny little vlog. I have the GoPro head mount with me, and we are going to do some jet skiing. You can probably hear the jet skis in the background, but yeah, we're going to go do some jet skiing. It's the first time doing jet skiing and stuff, so this is going to look really, really cool. And I hope that the GoPro head mount does its job, because it's going to be some sick footage. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the GoPro footage of the jet ski. And yeah, well, let's go.
You go, I'll be okay. I can do the rest of it. It's just a little touch of fate. You'll be okay. It sure takes its first time, but it's got rights and so high. I turn my head to the sky, focus one thought at a time. I do not like the little things under my tongue, but in sleep. It couldn't be a longer time. I feel like I am walking blind. I have no arrival time. There are no legible signs.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. Wow, stunning. Absolutely stunning, guys. You cannot get any better than this. If you ever come to Dubai, go jet skiing! Wow, such a stunning experience this is. Wow, take it easy, boys. Wow. Mad, isn't it? Let's go, boys! Let's go, party!
It sure takes its first time, but it's got rights and so have I. I turn my head to the sky, focus one thought at a time. I do not like the little things under my tongue.
Wow, look at that!
A longer time, I feel like I am walking blind. I have no arrival time, there are no legible signs.
Wow, this GoPro does not do justice. That's incredible. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that, guys. Being able to do all this stuff is like incredible. Wow. I love this.
Under my tongue, but it's like it couldn't be a longer time. I feel like I am walking blind.
Look at this. Sunset jet ski. This man over here, legend, look at him. Wow. Actually madness. Actually, I don't think, oh wow, thank you. That was incredible, definitely 5 stars. Or 6 stars actually. Bloody hell, no, that's 6, that's 5 stars. Wow. Okay then guys, welcome back to the last segment to this tiny video that I did of me jet skiing in Dubai. As you can see from the background, it's stunning out here. It's just gone, I think, about midnight. So I'm just editing this video down now, and I totally forgot to do an outro. So obviously after I finished the jet ski, I went and got some food, and then I come back to the apartment. I've just chilled. So yeah, so that's now, I think it's like midnight maybe, but it's a stunning view behind me. It doesn't get old. Look at that, it's mad. But yeah, this is the balcony that I'm on right now. But yeah, so this is the end of this video. I will be making more videos. It might be little clips like this where I just do one activity and make a video out of it. I don't know, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, this is incredible. I hope you guys enjoyed this tiny little video that I did, and there'll be more to come. It's going to be incredible. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I shall catch you in the next video.